Gonna make some potato chip casserole. Alright, spread that around the bottom there.
Just a good even layer.
Alright, so we're gonna take our sharp cheddar shredded cheese and just layer that over the top. Never have too much cheese.
Nope, this is to taste, so whatever y'all want to do here.
Yeah, just by feel. Alright, then we're gonna take some chili.
Hormel.
Spread it over the top. Just kind of make sure you evenly kind of get it over there as much as you can.
Can you guys smell that?
It'll be
'Cause
perfect. But
it smells good.
it's got to be smelling super dank. All right, kind of spread that over. Just light spread is pretty good. All right, then we're gonna take our rotel and our sour cream, just pour that on in there. Gonna mix that in a little bit with the sour cream.
Love that sound.
Me too. It's the sound of freedom
In America.
in Mexico, in the world. Okay, that's mixed in there pretty good, right?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, you can just kind of just stir it on over the top there. Yummy yum. All right. All right, then we're gonna do another thin layer of cheese.
Kind of covering all the white.
Yeah.
Wow.
And then finally, get back to this potato chip bag. And just on top, to create a little crust, we want to crumble some chips on top. Give it a nice, it'll be nice and baked and crusty on top once you pull it out of there. This would be great for like game day, watching some football on Saturday or Sunday.
Or Monday.
Or Monday, or Thursday. Or, you know, basketball.
Or Fridays if you're in high school.
Pretty much any day. I think they even Tuesdays. All right, that's pretty good crunchy crust there. All right, so now we're gonna put this in the oven. Doesn't need too long. We're gonna put it in there for about 15, 20 minutes at 350. All right.
Hey, Chihuahua puppy.
Wow, ay, que rica. This looks so good. Man. Gotta bring this to the game.
I know, this looks really
Just
good.
get in there and take a look real quick. Look at that bubbly goodness.
Wow.
All right. Kim, anyone use a spoon?
Mm-hmm.
That's clean spoon
That's
for
clean.
you.
All right. Mmm. Let's get a nice little bite. Make sure I get the chili in there too. Think it's gonna be too hot?
Oh.
Ooh.
I was blowing it for.
Mmm. That's legit good.
It is?
Yeah.